Hi there, and welcome to Unit 3, Theme 3, Creativity in the Caps. I love how this is posed as a question. In this theme, we're going to focus on critiquing the level of creativity that the current CAPS curriculum incites in everyday teaching and learning. We're also going to try to produce some evidence, or at least some examples, of how the CAPS curriculum either hinders or helps the creative processes and creative problem solving. For this theme, you will need to refer to PM1 Chapter 1 and PM2 Chapters 12 and 15, which I'm sure you're very familiar with, and then, of course, the old favourite, the CAPS document. So far, we've looked at how the Constitution, which underpins our curriculum, requires citizens to be able to problem solve. And we have looked at how the preamble of the curriculum states explicitly that we need to support the development of problem solving. But the question arises, does creative problem solving actually reach the classroom? I don't think it's enough just for the teacher to be creative and a good problem solver. The lessons themselves need to support this creativity and problem solving in the classroom, which means that the need for children to engage in problem solving needs to travel from the Constitution through the introduction to the CAPS and from there to the outcomes for the specific learning area or subject. While it may seem a little obvious, creative art specifically focuses on creativity. But surely our effort to develop creativity and problem solving shouldn't be restricted only to art lessons. The Life Skills CAPS document is certainly a good place to start when we consider problem solving. And I'm sure by now you, with your experience in your studies and in the classroom in previous years, have a pretty good idea of what the different subjects entail. But have you ever tried to engage children in actively problem solving? Does the Maths CAPS document actually offer opportunities for genuine problem solving? Or are those only exercises? Within the CAPS document, what do you think might help you in this process, and what would hinder that process? With your lecturer, you will explore the different CAPS-specific focus or outcomes more closely and consider how creativity and problem-solving is, or is not, encouraged and supported in daily learning. And just like that, we've reached the end of another unit. Well done. I hope you've actually found this one interesting. I was a bit concerned it was going to be quite dry, but I think if you really look at it carefully, a lot of these points are really relevant in order for us to be able to actually take what we are learning about in our lectures and use them in the classroom.